Jeremy Jacquet landed to undergo medical tests and sign at Liverpool contract until June 2031 plus a one-year option for the centre-back. Euro agreed with Rennes. Jacquet will become Liverpool player from June 2026. Manchester United plan a major midfield rebuild in the summer. They are ready to spend big. Which player should buy Man United this summer in the midfield? Chelsea set to recall Mamadou Sarr as centre-back. Decision made. Seen as huge talent for present and future project as Chelsea decision has been made. 4 more steps next. AFCON winner with Senegal. Sarr returns to Chelsea while Aaron Selmino goes other way to Strasbourg. Mikel Merino could miss the World Cup with Spain. His recovery will be very long, reports Marca.